In the early 50s, there were computers that could have run AI programs the way modern computers do today. The fundamental design of the computer hasn't changed for 60 or 70 years, but today you have more computing power in your smartwatch than existed in the entire world at the time. You can think of AI as a massive collision of three things creating a perfect storm. The first one is computing power, so that we don't have to wait weeks for the results for the simplest questions. The second thing is masses of data concerning just about everything which can be used to teach AIs. And the third thing is a greater understanding of how the brain works, which can be simulated in computers through neural networks. A modern AI can be fed a photograph of a dog wearing sunglasses and a hat, and it will tell us it's a dog wearing sunglasses and a hat. The AI has no clue that it's a dog wearing sunglasses and a hat. So in that sense, it's not at all intelligent. But here comes the point. If you had to search through thousands of photographs to find a specific face, how long would it take you? Depending on the computer power recruited to solve this simple problem, an AI could do it in seconds, maybe less than a second. So the point of AI is not that it can solve problems, it's that it can reduce the problem to a scale a human mind can now deal with. The person can look at the finer details and determine if this is the person we're really looking for. And, for a lot of simple problems, it can dispense with the human mind completely. Look at the recent cases where AI can diagnose illnesses with greater accuracy than surgeons who have 30 years' experience. We're talking about machine learning models, actually. Machine learning models are the building blocks of AI. They learn in a similar way to us humans. Remember that thing I said earlier about the collision of three technologies? Well, Microsoft has already exploited that perfect storm. There are problems to solve, and the core piece of AI to achieve this is machine learning. This lets you build your own models to solve very specific problems you have. But Microsoft also provides pre-packaged AIs called cognitive services, where somebody has already taught the machine learning models using billions of data points to solve those common problems. Like working out what's in a photograph, what text is in a photograph. It has an essence of, oh, I know what she means about the way it searches for something you need to know. Understanding speech, understanding it and replying. This list of common things that people want to do is an ever-increasing portfolio of assets that Microsoft makes available to anybody in the Azure cloud. So all you need to take advantage of the Microsoft AI platform is the imagination of how to orchestrate these cognitive services together. And if there's a little bit missing from the jigsaw, build and train a machine learning model of your own. It's all there, right in the Azure platform, and you could use it right now.